Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Lingappa into the Hall of Fame. He has been highly successful and he has been highly talkative. Now, today, let us let us experience his way of talking. Welcome, Mr. Lingappa. Could you please tell something about yourself to our audience?
Thank you, sir. Uh, my name is Lingappa Jakle. You can call me Lingappa. How are you all today? Thank you very much for giving me this unique opportunity. Let me introduce myself. When it comes to my qualification, I did Master of Technology in the stream of Electrical Engineering. At present, I am pursuing PhD in Osmania University. When it comes to my profession, I am working as an assistant professor in Geetanjali College of Engineering, Kisara, Hyderabad.
Very good, sir. It's really nice to know that. So you are doing your PhD on what subject, what topic?
Yes, sir. Well, sir, when it comes to my research, I'm doing research in the Department of Electrical Engineering. I'm doing research in the area of electrical power systems, sir.
Wow, great.
But in the electrical power systems, the many researchers are working in the transmission lines. Everyone, we have seen that in the roadside, the poles are there. Three lines are there. On that line, I'm doing research. I'm going to reduce the faults and I will distribute efficiency. I maintain the efficiency by using controllers.
Excellent, excellent. So it's an interesting topic you have chosen. Great, sir. Could you throw
Thanks.
some light on your early childhood and where did you have your schooling and all? Basically, where are you from? Could you please share that particular information?
Definitely, sir. When it comes to my childhood, but my education up to 7th standard I completed in my village, sir. My village name is Mudumal. It is near to Karnataka, but I am the Telangana border. My name is also Lingappa. It is related to Karnataka.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, after completion of my 7th standard, but once again, here, one thing here I want to tell you one thing. My family is completely low class family. My parents at that when I was in childhood, my parents were migrant laborers. They went to Mumbai, so we are suffered a lot of financial problem. They left me. They went to Mumbai. They were the migrant laborers. So after I completed my 7th standard, I immediately shifted to social welfare hostels. My complete childhood completed in the social welfare hostels only. I very far away from the parents. That was very unforgettable in my life, that childhood. After that, my total education completely depends on hostel only. Whether I fully hats up to the government, also government provided a lot of hostels like me.
Very good.
So that's it. No, that is the situation.
Excellent, sir. Excellent. So really, we need to appreciate you for this. In fact, you have had a very hardship during the childhood. Despite that, you focused on your career, you focused on your education. Where did you do your engineering?
Yeah, sir. I did engineering in Vageshwari College of Engineering, Karimnagar, sir. My BTech. Then after that, I completed my Master of Technology in Kottam Tulsi Reddy Memorial College of Engineering. It is in Gadwal, sir. After that, I wanted to join my research in state government universities, that is Osmania University.
Very good.
That is my higher education, sir. PhD is the my higher education.
Perfect, perfect. Well, Mr. Lingappa, it is really nice to know that your endurance and your power to fight against all the odds. So now, how are your parents? Now, are you taking care of them? Are they with you now?
Yeah, sir. All are with me, sir. All are.
Wow, very good. They must be proud of you, I believe.
Yes.
Perfect, sir. That's really great to hear. Now, during your entire academic days, during your college days, what was your goal at that time? So, what was your ambition?
But I was started my career, sir. I was chosen my career teaching profession.
Hmm.
That is very impressive. So when it comes to my teaching profession, I started after completion of my BTech, sir.
Very,
My BTech completed 2010.
hmm,
After that only I started teaching.
very good. Hmm.
So that time I decided, I saw many teachers in engineering college. They are having higher qualifications, are their MTech and PhD.
Hmm.
So they kept before the name doctor. But that time I thought that definitely I also keep before
Get
my
that.
name
That's
doctor.
very good.
Then that time also, then that time I decided definitely I also do the research.
Hmm.
Finally, I got it admission in Usman University. I feel very proud to
Very good. Very
get PhD admission in Usman University. Definitely, I will receive my PhD by the year end of 2024.
perfect. So, definitely we'll be calling you Dr. Lingappa very shortly.
Sure, sure.
Very good. Very good. Sir, coming to your early childhood again, were you in naturally you must be in Telugu medium, I believe, or else were you in English?
Yes. No, sir. I'm in Telugu medium, sir.
Very good. So when did you take up
I'm
English
in
medium?
Telugu.
In intermediate or
Can you
graduate?
repeat? So from graduation level only, after in engineering only, English medium will come, sir. English
Oh,
medium came.
very good.
Up to 12th standard, up to plus two,
Hmm.
I was in Telugu medium, sir.
Fantastic. So English was naturally a subject, I believe. Even up to even though you were in Telugu medium, English must have been a subject for you. So how was your experience with English right from the beginning? So what was your comfort zone or what was your difficulty when it comes to English?
Yeah, so but I faced a lot of difficulties, sir, when it comes to speaking.
Hmm.
But the subject is different and communication is different.
Yeah, yeah.
So that is the problem. Only I decided to join
This
this type
paper
of
test. Perfect.
paperless fluency.
So when did you come to know about this particular program, Paperless Fluency, for the first time? When did you come to know?
Yes, sir, but I was joined in research, but fully I decided. But my life goal is for teaching profession. I should thorough about the communication skills and soft skills. I fully interaction with the students,
Hmm.
but I thought that myself I have lack of communication skills,
Hmm.
but I can manage my technical subject to the students.
Hmm.
That time I decided, since 2 years I decided I searched in around Dilshuk Nagar many spoken Englishes,
Hmm.
but I searched in Google. But I also inquired testimonials.
Hmm.
But Ryle soft skills spoken English is I very much impressed, and then immediately I called to you.
Yeah.
You also very positive ways you told me. That time I decided, but I didn't take admission because is it right or not, sir? 30 days workshop and paperless days. How can I? But sir, one thing, sir, you immediately joined my number in your
Hmm.
WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
But in that WhatsApp group, I selected 4 5 numbers.
Hmm.
But for that numbers, I called, sir. I called. Sir,
Hmm.
what about the paperless fluency? You joined or not? What about the feedback? I also interested to join
Hmm.
paperless fluency. Just to please give me the feedback.
Hmm.
Like that, I inquired.
Hmm.
But many are, I also not joined like that. Few members are told me it was fantastic, sir, as a good mentor,
Hmm.
and it is a live interaction. So
Hmm.
that's why I decided to join paperless fluency.
Perfect, sir. Perfect. So initially you attended a webinar also, I believe, on a Saturday. And then still you were not so confident. Within 30 days, how is it possible? That way you thought. Now, how do you feel? Today is the 28th day of our learning process. So in this particular paperless fluency workshop, with this 28 days, what is your overall feeling now?
It was very good, sir. But whatever I have the knowledge, the previous knowledge, when I was joined this paperless fluency, it is very fantastic. I fully agree that it has proved, sir. It is a paperless fluency.
Perfect.
I got confidence. I can
Very
speak to anyone. That's it.
Excellent. Sir, now you are working as a professor, right? In the Geetanjali Engineering College. So as
Yes,
an
sir.
assistant professor, perfect. So how is your experience? Now, what I mean to say is that previously also you were into teaching. You were teaching
Yes.
subjects to the students. Now,
Yes.
after taking up these skills, this particular coaching with us, do you find some amount of improvement in your overall confidence and the way you interact with the people and the way you can observe the errors made by others in this kind of angle? How do you feel?
Yeah, sir. I felt that, but first of all, I got confidence comparing to the previous college. But totally, I spoke with the students only Telugu completely. But in this college, when I joined Paperless Fluency, automatically and I interacted with the students in English only.
Perfect.
But in classroom also, I don't use Telugu, sir. I fully interacting with the students in English, and also subject also will teach in English 45 minutes.
Very good. So that kind of transformation you observed in you. Very good.
Yes.
So how about your mingling when it comes to with your other colleagues and all during the staff meetings or during the interaction in the staff room and all? So do you feel some kind of change in your way of presentation during this particular time?
Yes, sir. Definitely changes, sir. But so I also the first member to give interaction with the students, interaction with the colleagues, whatever the task. Recently, we organized one FDP. There also madam assigned to me, Lingappa sir, you are the coordinator, you can go and everything. But I am the coordinator for that FDP. That was very successfully. All are appreciated me.
Excellent. So in this connection, I believe our opening address, our way of opening address, the presentation, this kind of inputs, they might have helped you, I believe. So in our entire learning process, so Mr. Lingappan, in our sessions, usually I keep on highlighting on certain things during webinars or during my Facebook ads or whatever. So one thing is, I keep on saying that it is paperless fluency. Second thing, I keep on saying that we train your subconscious mind. You can speak English the way you speak your mother tongue. So these are the kind of claims I keep on saying. So how do you feel? These claims, are they valid? Do you agree with them?
Yes, sir. I fully agree. I fully agreed, sir. Because of that, I joined here. Everything I observed lively, whatever you say, in the webinar also. But in that webinar, I don't think so. Sir has proved or not. He is mesmerizing our minds. Like that we thought. Like that I thought that when I joined this session, I fully agreed. I truly believed, sir.
Perfect, sir. Don't worry, sir. We are fully with you, and our hand holding continues to be there with each and every one of you forever. In fact, this 30-day is only a cycle. After that, our association gets further and further strengthened. In fact, so after 30 days, our association will not get diluted. Our hand holding continues forever. In the meanwhile, I would like to know that in our webinar, I mean, in our regular immersive workshops, we come across the people from different parts of the country, different part of the countries, and different walks of life. So like that. So how do you feel with this experience over here?
Yeah, sir. I feel very great opportunity came here, sir. I met all the regions, southern, northern, western, but different peoples are gathered here. And so comparing to my age, very senior citizens also there. It is a very good opportunity. Uh, Sir, Ramesh sir is always motivated me. I spoke instead of this class also. I discussed with Ramesh sir. Sir, how can I speak generally, sir? But my profession is teaching. I am very good at technical subject. But my worry is I cannot speak general English with the students. How can I rectify that? Sir has given very good inputs, and so it is a very fantastic journey. But I will touch with all our gentlemen here. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. You are all are gathering here because of you only, sir.
Perfect, perfect. That's really great, sir. And usually people, parents' mindset I'm talking about. So they feel that online and offline, wherein compared with this, they prefer, no, no, we don't want online. We want offline for our kids. So I keep on observing the reason behind that is what? Because most of the times in their college kind of online training, they either switch off their video, they keep themselves mute, and they do not focus much on their teaching. So that's the reason I think parents might have come to that particular kind of mindset. So you have participated in this live interactive online webinars, our sessions. So how has been your experience? So now, do you feel still offline is better, or do you feel online is also equally effective? How do you feel?
Yes, sir. Coming to this paperless fluency, it is fully online, but so it is no need to travel, sir. No need to travel. Get fluency through digital way. It is very comfort. I'm at my home. I'm at my home through learning live interactive training. But it is equal, sir. Offline and online, it is very equal. But the desire should be strong, whatever the way, online and offline. But our thinking level, thinking level should be straight, whatever the thing. But our desire should be
Hi.
good.
Very
Yes, that is.
Very good, sir. Very good. So we are very much delighted talking to you, Mr. Lingappa. We wish you all the best. We wish you great success in all the endeavors that you are going to take up. You should get 100% success. And more importantly, we want to see that prefix doctorate in front of your name shortly. We wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Definitely, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.